Today we're making a classic BLT, bacon, lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise on toasted bread, and real pork bacon, not turkey bacon, and the whole sandwich is only 300 calories. It's coming up right now on the Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds naturally through mindful eating and daily walking, and I'm sharing some recipes here that could help you to lose weight and keep it off. This BLT recipe is nice and quick, easy, and delicious. It's only 300 calories, and it's got 20 grams of protein. All right, enough talking. Let's get cooking. I've got my cast iron griddle preheating on medium heat. Let's go ahead and slice up a tomato. I'm going to just weigh out 85 grams. You could also have more if you want, but if you want it to be exactly 300 calories, we're gonna weigh out 85 grams exactly. Okay, so now we're just gonna take these tomato slices and we are going to sprinkle them with a little bit of garlic salt and dried basil. First, the garlic salt and the basil. Flip them over and do the other side. Salt, basil. And now our tomatoes are ready. You're also going to want to cut up some romaine lettuce. Not necessarily this much. I have this bag ready to make salads. One leaf should be fine. Now, I prefer to use Smithfield Fully Cooked Bacon because this is real pork bacon.
It's bacon!
But it's only 20 calories per strip. Now, it's fully cooked, but we're gonna put it on the stove just to crisp it up a little bit. It's gonna go very fast. I just want it nice and crispy, and we're gonna do 8 strips because, like I said, 20 calories per strip, 8 strips is nothing. So let's put the bacon on the skillet here. Look at that, already sizzling. Let's go ahead and flip this. Just want to do each side very briefly. And by the time I've flipped it, it's time to take these off. And now we're going to toast our bread right here in this bacon fat. I've got Bettergoods Wheat Keto Bread. I've got wheat because it's their lowest calorie. Only 30 calories per slice. Yeah, there we go. Let's get that bread right there in that bacon grease. Let it start toasting. Let's see how that's looking. Side's looking all right. I'll go ahead and flip this. Does not take long at all. This goes super quickly. All right, these are good. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off of the stove. Now we're gonna add 28 grams of light mayo. We're gonna put half on each slice of bread. And now let's add our bacon strips.
Bacon strips, bacon strips, bacon strips, bacon strips. More bacon.
Next, we'll add the tomatoes. And finally, add the lettuce. All right, now let's just close this thing up. And here it is, everyone, this beautiful, tasty 300 calorie BLT. I am super excited about this thing. Look at this, just filled with all this goodness, delicious flavor, high flavor, low calories. All right, let's dig in. I am excited to try this delicious looking sandwich. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is so tasty. There is so much flavor in there. Using real bacon makes all the difference. You can use turkey bacon, but this just tastes the way a BLT is meant to taste. Oh man. That is such a good combination of flavors right there. Everything works together so well. Okay, so I'm hungry. I'm gonna finish this real quick and then we'll go over the macros. Okay, so here are the BLT macros. It is 300 calories, 33 grams of carbs, 20 grams of fat, 20 grams of protein. So a little lower in protein than some of the other recipes and a little higher in fat than some of the recipes, but it's got bacon. What do you expect? It's more for flavor. But this is a great low-calorie BLT, so you're not adding tons and tons of fat. A real BLT has way more fat, way more calories. We've cut down on the fat by using the thinner bacon and by using the light mayo. But that's what I think is so amazing, is you can take the foods that you love, make little modifications here and there, and significantly lower the calories while still enjoying your favorite foods and lose weight. I'm telling you what, I really enjoyed that BLT. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to the Cog is Shred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. If you have any suggestions for recipes you might like to see me do in the future, leave them in the comments, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep on eating.